looks pretty good, but we can do better. Much better. You will need translucent vellum paper, ribbon, and wax seals. I do have a tutorial on how to make them yourself, linked down below. For the record, you guys, I am not the future Mrs. Elizabeth Murray. This is just a sample invitation from Minted. First step is to trim the vellum to the same size as your invite. Then line it up in the middle and just fold over each side. I'm taking the ribbon and just measuring it out. I'm leaving some excess to fold over, but that step is totally up to you. Make sure to pull the ribbon taut and glue it in place. Finish it off with a wax seal, and there you have it. sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe for more content.